Greetings. It is a great honor to stand before you today on behalf of King T'Challa and the Kingdom of Wakanda. I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje, here on a special assignment from the Black Panther himself to personally train all of you recruits to become warrior allies of Wakanda. Are you my ally? Yes. I thought so. So, the Dora Milaje will assist me. Before we begin, let us take a moment of silence for all of the kings and queens who have left us to join the ancestral plains. Peace be to the ancestors. Now, are you ready to begin your training? In order to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored one. As the defenders of the throne of Wakanda, it is our sole mission to protect the king, the Black Panther himself. It is a tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by the tribe to train as a Dora. It is a great honor to take on such a special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dora Milaje. Don't worry, there are only 5 tenets. You should be able to keep up. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda forever! In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So, recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the Dora Milaje? Me! Who will come forth and show us your courage? Me! Oh, many brave souls indeed. But who among you is also rooted in compassion? Brave warrior, come forward. What is your name? This way, turn to me. What is your name?
Dom. D-O-M.
Dom. And where are you from?
Montana, California.
Fontana. Warrior Dom from the Fontana tribe. You are courageous for coming forward. Tell us, are you strong?
Yes.
Yes, and very confident too.
She's strong heart.
What makes you strong, Dom?
My heart. My courage.
And your courage. Oh, you are listening to the tenets, I see. You bring such honor to your tribe, Dom. Wakanda forever! Give her a hand. Thank you. Now, to the rest of you, we ask, are you strong? Don't be shy, recruits. Are you strong? You say yes! But where does your strength come from? Or your courage? Our culture has been passed down from generation to generation. Through our traditions, we Dora have trained for years with the power of vibranium on our side. What is the part of you that is indestructible? What is your vibranium? Think about it. Strength and courage are like the sun. They have to rise out of us. But unlike the sun rising out of the ocean, the rising of our strength and courage isn't automatic. We Dora have to find it each and every day. We chant, Nijaru Mine Zan Chi Nasara. Nijaru Mine Zan Chi Nasara. This means I am a warrior. I will overcome. Recruits, if you can learn this battle chant, You may have what it takes to be a warrior ally of Wakanda. Listen and repeat after me. Nijaru mine. Repeat. Nijaru mine. Oh, there is soul here in the atmosphere. Let us keep going with movement. Zanchi Nasara. Repeat. Zanchi Nasara. Oh, and rhythm. Little one, I see you in the red shirt. Oh. Let us keep going. Put it all together with me. Nijaru mine. Zanchi Nasara. Nijaru mine. Zanchi Nasara. Ahen. Nijaru mine. Zanchi Nasara. Excellent work, recruits. Now, can you take it a step further? Would you all like to see a Dora Milaje training sequence? Okay. Pay attention. That wasn't so hard now, was it? Too advanced. Let us learn something just a bit easier, eh? Watch. Join me if you dare. And together, strength, crouch. Again, I see you back there. And together, strength, crouch. You all stretched this morning, didn't you? Don't worry. This is not a real battle. This is for training purposes only. So I want us all to stand tall. Imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium, and we will train together as one tribe. Let us begin. And we jump, straight, look. Again, little one, I want to see. Jump, straight, look. Very good. Keep going. And we jump, straight, look. Now with the strength and the heart of the panther. Jump, straight, look. Once more for good measure. Jump, straight, look. Hey! That was enough to send any villain running home to his grandmother. What brave warriors you are! I haven't seen strength and courage like that since we've been on this continent. I am impressed with each and every one of you. You are more than mere recruits. You are now on the path to becoming warrior allies of Wakanda. Celebrate yourselves, warriors. You've earned this moment. Chant with us. Nijaru ne. Zanchi Nasara. Nijaru ne. Zanchi Nasara. I see you. Nijaru ne. Zanchi Nasara. Nijaru ne with honor. Zanchi Nasara. With pride. Nijaru ne. Zanchi Nasara. Nijaru ne. Zanchi Nasara. My heart is with you, warriors. Not only have we assembled a brave and strong group of warrior allies ready for the next mission, but we have also seen true honor and compassion here today. Look around at your fellow allies. Look around. See them and let yourselves be seen. You are each warrior at your own way, and you shall overcome. Continue in these ways, allies, and you will leave each place much better than you found it. Now, we could stay here all day and teach you more secrets of the Dora Milaje. But we must leave you now, as King T'Challa has been alone for far too long. That usually means trouble. Until next time, warrior allies!